Today we're going to take a look at the distance formula. The distance formula is used to find the distance between two given points. Representing those points, we're going to use the ordered pairs x sub 1, y sub 1, and x sub 2, y sub 2. For our first example, let's go ahead and look at a line segment on a coordinate plane. We'll use the two endpoints of this line segment as our ordered pairs. Our first ordered pair would be -5, positive 3, because we went 5 to the left and we went 3 up. Our second ordered pair is going to be -2, -3, because we went 2 to the left and 3 down. Now that we have our ordered pairs, we're going to put them into the distance formula. The distance formula states that the distance is equal to the square root of the difference of x2 and x1 squared plus the difference of y2 and y1 squared. So let's go ahead and plug our ordered pairs in. When we do so, we've taken the x value out of the second ordered pair and we're going to subtract from it the x value of the first ordered pair. We've done the same thing with the y values. We're subtracting, we plugged in y sub 2 first and we're subtracting from it y sub 1. Let's go ahead and do that subtraction. That's going to give us the square root of 3 squared plus -6 squared. We'll go ahead and find those squares next, and we end up with the square root of 9 plus 36. Well, 9 plus 36 is 45. Our last step, our final step, will be to find the square root of 45. We're going to use an approximation here, and we come up with d, or the distance, is about 6.7. That tells us that the distance from the first ordered pair to the second ordered pair is about 6.7 units. Let's take another look. This time, instead of it being actually given a line segment, we're just given 2 points. We're still going to plug them into our distance formula. So here's our distance formula, and we're going to plug in our two ordered pairs. So let's go ahead and see what that looks like once we plug them in. We've taken the x value out of the second and we're going to subtract from it the x value out of the first ordered pair. Again, we've done the same thing with the y values. We've taken the second y value and we're going to subtract from it the first y value. Let's go ahead and do that subtraction, and that's going to give us the square root of 7 squared plus the square root, the square of -2. Let's go ahead and find those squares. That's going to give us the square root of 49 plus 4. We'll do the addition, which gives us 53. Our final step then would be to find the square root of 53. Again, we'll use an approximation, and we come up with the distance is about 7.3 units. I hope this helps you with today's assignment. As always, if you have any questions, reach out.